students, welcome to the session of Environment Science. Today we will have a discussion on Aquatic Ecosystem Part 2. In today's session we will discuss about saltwater ecosystem. I am Dr. Prerna, Assistant Professor at AISSMS College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. The learning outcome for today's session are to know about saltwater ecosystem, understand various components of saltwater ecosystem, and to know the benefits, threats, and conservation of saltwater ecosystem. To begin with the session, let's have a quick revision on aquatic ecosystem. An aquatic ecosystem is a body of water where plants, animals, and other organisms live together in a close harmony with their environment. This ecosystem can be found in fresh water and salt water. In previous session, we have already discussed about freshwater ecosystem, and now in today's session we will have a brief discussion on saltwater ecosystem. The marine ecosystem, which is also a saltwater ecosystem that covers almost 71% of Earth, and under this vast underwater world harbor an astonishing diversity of life forms, from the microscopic to the magnificent. Marine ecosystem play a crucial role in sustaining life on Earth, regulating climate, and providing us with countless resources. In today's session, we will explore into the wonders of hidden world, exploring the vibrant life of marine ecosystem and the challenges faced by them. Now, let's have a look on the marine empire. The marine empire is not a uniform environment. It encompasses a variety and a vast array of habitat, each with its own unique characteristics and life form. There are different layers of marine we will explore here. The open ocean or pelagic zone is further divided into depth zone based on light penetration. The sunlit surface zone, epipelagic, supports most marine life, while the deeper zone, that is mesopelagic, bathypelagic, abyssal pelagic, and hydal pelagic, are shrouded in a perpetual darkness and inhabited by specially adapted creatures. Coastal ecosystems are teeming with life, with estuaries acting as a nursery for many fish species, coral reef boosting incredibly biodiversity, kept forest providing crucial habitats, and salt marsh filtering pollutants and protecting shorelines. The bathanic zone encompasses the ocean floor, is vast and diverse. Continental shelves are relatively shallow and rich in nutrients, while the continental slopes and abyssal plain plunge into the deep darkness. Ocean is having vast expanse, which is open ocean, is also called as pelagic zone, and it's further divided into various depth zone based on the light penetration. We have already seen that, but we will have a quick revision again. Epipelagic, that is sunlit surface area. Mesopelagic, that is twilight zone. Bathypelagic, that is deep sea zone. Then Self-pelagic, that is abyssal plain, and hydal pelagic, that is the deepest trench. The coastal ecosystem is near shore area are influenced by land, including estuaries where freshwater river meet saltwater ocean, coral reef, vibrant underwater cities teeming with life, forest, underwater forest of giant cliff providing habitat, salt marshes, that is coastal wetlands with salt tolerant plants, bathanic zone, the ocean floor encompassing a diverse range of habitats, that is continental shelves, relatively shallow area near the coast, continental slopes, steeper areas leading to the deep sea floor, abyssal plain, vast flat plains at the ocean bottom, and hydrothermal vents, deep sea volcanic fissures, sweeping hot water and minerals. Now let's have a look how a symphony of a marine life look. We will see here who are the producers, consumers and decomposers, likewise which we have already seen in various food web. Producers here are the phytoplanktons. These organisms form the foundation of the marine food web, capturing sunlight and converting it into energy through photosynthesis. Phytoplankton are microscopic algae are the primary producers in the ocean. They exist in various varieties of shapes, size, and freely moving in the sunlit surface water and forming the base of marine food chain. These tiny organisms are responsible for significant proportion of the world oxygen production, estimates to contribute to roughly half of the planet total oxygen. Consumers, a vast array of organisms rely on producers and each other for food and their survivals. We'll have a look of one by one from the marine ecosystem. Who are the consumers? Zooplankton. Zooplanktons are the tiny animals like krill from a crucial link in the food web. They consume phytoplankton and other organic matter, transferring energy to the higher level consumer. Next is fish. The ocean is home to unparalleled varieties of fish with over 32,000 known species. These remarkable vertebrates have evolved to occupy diverse niche within the marine ecosystem, employing a wide range of feeding strategies. Next, consumers from the marine ecosystem are schooling fish. Like sardines, they navigate to the open ocean in vast number for safety and feeding efficiently. Next is bottom feeders. Flounders and halibut utilize their flat bodies to camouflage themselves on the seafloor where they can see for or rush for the food. Predators, tuna, shark, they occupy the top level of the food chain, keeping population of other fish in check and maintaining a balance in the ecosystem. Marine mammals. Marine mammal includes whales, dolphin, seal, sea lion are very charmatic members of the marine environment. They exhibit a fascinating diversity in terms of size, behavior, and ecological functions. Whales, the largest animal on earth. Whale can be filter feeders or a top predators. Moving ahead in the consumer from the marine ecosystem, dolphins, highly intelligent and Social creatures. Dolphins play a vital role in maintaining fish population. Seal and sea lions, seabirds, etc. These people are also from the marine ecosystem. Reptiles. Sea turtles are the only reptiles truly adapt the life in the ocean. They have streamlined body, flippers for propulsion, and salt gland to expel excess salt indigested from seawater. Different species have variety diets, with some being herbivore that graze on seagrasses and others being carnivore that hunt fish, jellyfish and other marine animals. Invertebrates. These creatures without a backbone from a significant portion of marine life, exhibiting incredible diversity and ecological importance. Crustaceans, crabs, shrimps and lobsters are skilled and they are predators, while krills form the base of the food web for many marine animals. Clams, mussels, oysters are filter feeders, helping to clean the water by removing particles and planktons. Squids and cuttlefish are intelligent with impressive camouflage abilities. These are the various consumers from the marine ecosystem. Next, we will have a look on the decomposers, the natural recyclers. Decomposers break down dead organic matters from producers and consumers, returning nutrients back into the ecosystem for producers to use. The circle of life in the ocean wouldn't be complete without decomposers. These crucial players break down dead organic matters from producers and consumers, recycling essential nutrients back into the ecosystem. This ensures a continuous supply of nutrients for producers to flourish, maintain balance of the food web. Moving ahead, let's have a look on benefits of marine ecosystem. Marine ecosystem provides various benefits such as food resources, climate regulations, biodiversity hotspot, coastal protection, and recreation and tourism. Let's have a look on one each. Food sources. Ocean serves as a vital source for food for billions of people worldwide. Fish, shellfish, and other seafoods provide essential nutrients, proteins, vitamins, and minerals for a healthy diet. Sustainable fishing practices are crucial to ensure the continued availability of these resources. Next, climate regulation. The ocean play a critical role in regulating Earth climate. It absorbs vast amount of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, mitigating the effects of climate change. Additionally, the ocean current transport heat around the globe, influencing regional climates and weather pattern. Biodiversity hotspot. Marine ecosystem harbor an unparalleled diversity of life form, from the tiniest planktons to the majestic whales. This biodiversity is essential for a healthy planet, as each species play a unique role in maintaining and balancing the ecosystem. Coastal protection. Healthy marine ecosystem, particularly coral reef and mangroves, act as a natural barriers that can protect coastal lines from erosion and caused by waves and storms. They also act as a buffer, the impact of this powerful force safeguarding coastal communities and infrastructures. Recreation and tourism. This beauty and wonder of the ocean provide countless opportunities for recreation and tourism. Scuba diving, snorkeling, boating and fishing are just some of the activities that people enjoy in marine atmosphere. These activities contribute significantly to local economy and promote appreciation for the ocean. Next, we'll see what are the threats to the marine ecosystem. There are various threats right now that is actually creating issues for the marine ecosystem. These threats are pollution, climate change, habitat destruction, and so on. Pollution. Marine pollution comes in various forms, include plastic pollution, agricultural runoff, industrial waste, and oil spills. This pollutant harm marine life directly and disrupt the balance of the ecosystem. Climatic change, rising of ocean temperature, ocean acidification caused by increased carbon dioxide absorption and melting glaciers all contribute to negative impact on marine life. These changes disrupt ecosystem, threaten coral reef and alter migration patterns. Habitat destructions. Activities like coastal development, mangrove deforestation and bottom trawling destroy vital habitats for marine organisms. This action disrupt breeding and feeding grounds, impact the overall health of marine ecosystem. As an individual, we have to contribute for the conservation to save the marine ecosystem. What we can do for the conservation of marine ecosystem? We should take participation in various activities that can contribute for reducing the plastic pollution, air pollution, water pollution from various sources. We should also provide and prepare certain policies and sustainability programs so that the marine ecosystem can be protected. Now let's have a quick recap. Today's learning outcome was learn about marine ecosystem, understand various components of marine ecosystem, and know the benefits, threats, and conservation of marine ecosystem. Marine ecosystem is also called as saltwater ecosystem that covers about 71% of Earth's surface. They include ocean, estuaries, and coral reef. Marine ecosystems are home to wide varieties of plants and animals, including fish, whales, dolphin, shark, and sea turtle. Marine ecosystem comprises of producer, consumer, and the decomposers. In marine ecosystem, ocean has a different zones based on the depth. These zones are from the sunlit surface to the deepest trench. Coastal ecosystem includes from the land which they are influenced and includes estuaries, coral reef, cliff forest, and salt marshes. Another one is bathanic zone, which includes continental shelves, continental slopes, plains, and hydrothermal vents. In marine ecosystem, the food web include producer, consumer, and decomposers. Producers are the photoplanktons, consumers are zooplanktons, fish, schooling fish, predators, marine mammals, whales, etc. And the last one from the food web are the decomposers. Decomposers are playing a crucial role for breakdown dead organic matters from producers and consumers and helping it for recycling the essential nutrients back to the ecosystem. Various benefits that are provided by the marine ecosystem are food sources, climatic regulations, biodiversity hotspots, coastal protection, recreation and tourism. Various threats for marine ecosystem are pollution, climate change, habitat destruction, and so on. Thank you.